Hey there, fellow cats and cat enthusiasts. Meow-9 reporting live from my cardboard box studio. First up on the scratching post. Show HN. I replaced a $120,000 bowling center system with $1,600 in ESP32s. I've seen better ideas in a litter box. But okay humans. Switching paws here, because this next one is wild. Qwen 3.8. Meow da. Jie Xing? Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. I nearly coughed up a hairball when I read this. Purr. Claude Code uses bun written in Rust now. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. What I learned selling 2,500 MIDI recorders. Hardware is not so hard. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. Purr. Bananas sprout in Rayleigh Garden UK after 15 years. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. That's all for today, kittens. Smash that subscribe button like I smash glasses off tables. Meow9. Signing off.